how to fix system thread exception not handle Bthhfenum.sys BSoD error in Windows 11 and Windows 10. So basically, it is a audio problem. If your free audio call or control HID enumerator file not working properly, audio system not working properly, then such type of BSoD error appear on your screen. To fix this issue, the first workaround is open Device Manager and go to Audio Input and Outputs and right click on your audio device and uninstall device. Finally, confirm uninstallation of your audio device. Once the uninstallation finish, restart your system. When your system restart, it will automatically install your audio device, and you go to Action tab and scan for hardware changes. Window will automatically install audio device for your system. The next workaround is go to command prompt Windows as administrator mode and here execute the command as shown on a screen. This command path will also available in my video's description. Rename Bthhfenum.sys file. Paste it and press enter. And don't forget to restart your system and check whether blue screen error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Scan your system. Update, install latest update in your Windows system. Go to settings and here go to Windows Update from the left pane and choose check for updates. Thereafter, if your program is still, then restore your system. Go to run command box and here execute the command rstrui. It will open system restore window. Restore system files and settings. Choose next. Choose the restore point you want to restore from and click on next. Finally, confirm your restoration point. Your blue screen error will not applicable.